Like, you know, if I'm gonna be walking, it's gonna like go higher, higher, and then it's gonna plop.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Today we are doing the halo extensions, the one from Wish. You know, the ones that I did all the other extension hair videos. Yeah, since you guys been asking for this, I finally have it here. I've had these extensions for a little bit. I never did do it because I felt like my hair was too long. Now these extensions do come in a lot, and I mean a lot of different colors. It is halo extensions, so there is a clear wire that I will show you guys. Oh, actually, you know, let me show you guys right here. There's a clear wire, if you can see, and this part goes around your head, and your real hair is actually supposed to kind of cover it since this thing is clear. These extensions only come in 20 inches, so yeah, and it is already pre-curled. I have not tried this on yet, although I did open it out of the bag, obviously. And like I said, I felt like my hair was too long for it, so that's why I never did do a video yet. But since I have it just laying around and before it gets damaged, I might as well do it, right? Oh, and I believe this was $12. So if you go to their site, a lot of times it says sold out. When I first went to it, it said sold out. I went to it again and it wasn't sold out, so I purchased it. But now again, I believe it says sold out. So just keep checking back if you're interested, and just always remember that this is synthetic hair. It is not real human hair. So you're not gonna want to flat iron or curl this, or it may melt. So yeah, let's just get on with it. I already have my hair kind of wavy. It's been like this for the past couple days. I don't feel like putting extra heat to my hair, so let's just try and work with this. Now, to put this on, I've had halo extensions before, but never from Wish and never this cheap. So this is amazing. So to put this on, let's go ahead and start. I'm gonna put this all behind my head, put this down my head, flip my hair over this, bring this part up, pull some hair out, get some hair from the underneath, pull that out as well. What you're trying to do is trying to hide the extension as much as possible. Don't laugh, I know I look crazy right now, but yeah. So you want to fit this around your head. You want to hide it from your hairline because obviously you don't want it to be seen. And you can use bobby pins to secure this down. So if you can see the concept here, like you don't see like a hairline or a thing. Even if you're wearing a wig or something, you can see how it's like not matching to your scalp. But this one, if you can see, there is that fishing line there. And you want to try to get your hair as smooth as possible. See, my problem with these cheap synthetic ones is it keeps rising up my head. Like, you know, if I'm gonna be walking, it's gonna like go higher, higher, and then it's gonna plop right off. Okay, as you can see, this is not very easy. Okay guys, so there you go. That took me kind of a while. My hair just kept getting tangled around the wire thing, but I have it in. Do you guys see a big difference? I don't, maybe you guys do. But sometimes when I watch the videos back, I'm like, oh yeah, I do see a difference, duh. But yeah, I just don't like the way it doesn't feel like it's gonna stay on my head, unless maybe like I tie like a bandana here, or even if I wear a hat over it. But still, if I move around a lot and it's really windy, or you go to a club and you go dancing and you whip your hair back and forth, I feel like this thing is gonna go flying 25 feet into the air and land in someone's drink or something. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and I'll give you a full view of what it looks like from the front to the back to the sides. So But yeah, there you go, you guys. It's the Halo extensions from Wish, 20 inches, comes in multiple colors. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below if you guys are interested in it. Like I did say, it may say that it's sold out, but keep double checking. They might bring it back in stock. And yeah, I mean, it does look good, but I don't feel like it's gonna stay in my hair. I feel like I'm gonna need to bobby pin this down, or you know what I mean, something to hold it. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Drop me any kind of comments down below. I'll be sure to get back to each and every one of you guys. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And is there any challenges going around? Besides that condom challenge where you sniff it up your nose, no sir, I'm not gonna do that one. But yeah, other than that, you guys, hit the subscribe button and you'll be getting videos every single week. And other than that, we'll see you guys next time. All right, take care. Bye.